If you're running an agency and looking for ways to scale quickly, using project templates is a game changer. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use project templates to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and scale your agency faster. By the end, you'll know how to implement templates effectively and see the difference they can make in your day-to-day operations. First off, let's talk about why project templates are so important. When you have a template for common processes, like client onboarding or campaign execution, you're essentially setting a clear, repeatable structure. It allows you to focus on the high-value tasks like strategy and client relationships without getting bogged down in the details. Project templates save you time and ensure consistency, which is essential when you're scaling. To get started, you'll need to pick the right software for your agency. I've tried several of the most popular ones, and I'll be showing you the one I recommend in this video. This software lets you easily create, customize, and share templates for your projects, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you start something new. Once you have your software in place, start by creating a template for your most common workflows. For example, a template for client onboarding could include tasks like gathering information, setting up accounts, and sending out introductory emails. By having a preset structure, you can simply plug in the client-specific details and move quickly. Next, you'll want to make sure the template covers every stage of your process. You don't want to leave any gaps. For instance, if you're managing a campaign, your template should cover planning, execution, tracking, and reporting. By having this all laid out in advance, you'll be able to jump into each project without having to spend time thinking about what needs to be done next. Customization is key here. Every agency is unique, and templates need to reflect that. The good news is, the software we're using lets you easily modify your templates, add new steps, and remove unnecessary ones. You'll be able to tailor each template to fit your agency's specific needs. Another huge benefit of using project templates is collaboration. If you're working with a team, templates allow everyone to follow the same process. It keeps everyone on the same page, ensuring that no task gets overlooked and no client communication slips through the cracks. It's a perfect way to ensure your team is aligned and working efficiently. Finally, make sure to monitor and adjust your templates as you scale. As your business grows, your processes might evolve, and your templates should reflect those changes. The software lets you make quick edits so you can stay on top of things without having to start from scratch every time. Now, here's the key takeaway. Project templates are a critical tool for scaling your agency. They save you time, ensure consistency, and keep everyone on track. The software we've talked about today makes it simple to create and manage these templates, and it's the one I recommend to help you scale faster. To wrap up, remember that using project templates is about efficiency, customization, and collaboration. By implementing them, you'll free up time to focus on growing your agency. Also, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software I recommend in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it while you can. Thanks for watching.